Hello my lovelies, how are you all? It's been a while. Well, it's been about, I don't know, nearly 8 months is it since I last did my talkie video, but I think I am back. Right, I'm coming on tonight, doing a nighttime video, coming on tonight to say thank you so much. Thank you so much to everybody for all your lovely comments. Well, on my last video, this last video, that's the one I'm talking about, not my recent little ones, but that one. I just took a screenshot of it, which I took, 7 months ago. I think it was the end of July. Thank you so much to everybody who left me lovely comments on there, and to everybody else that's you know, messaged me privately, emailed me, either on well, email or on what's the program, WhatsApp. Some ladies on there that follow me on, well, I'm friends with on WhatsApp and Instagram. Just thank you so much to everybody. Honestly, you're all so kind, and thank you as well to all the gifts and cards that you've sent me. I'm not going to go into details about that video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just go back 2 or 3 videos and you'll see what I mean. I'm actually going to delete that in a short while, because it was a bit negative, but anyway, I've got through it, I think, and here I am. So yes, so thank you. Right, another thing I'm coming on to do is a giveaway. It's not announcing a giveaway, well, it is announcing a giveaway, but we're going to do it tonight, and it's going to be on everybody that left me a comment on that video, plus anybody else that left me comments, you know, sent me messages privately of, you know, love, support and kindness, and you're all just brilliant. So that's what I've done. I've cut all the names out. They're in this little bag. Oh, and I've lost my train of thought now. I was going to say something else then. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do tonight. Now, I've got a load of things here. I'm rambling already. Got a load of things that lots of you that follow me regular will already have seen these things, because I did a haul video. I'm hopefully going to be doing another haul video soon. So we've got loads and loads of things. Now there's obviously international people in there as well. International people, you know, I'm obviously not going to be able to send as much, so you know, it might be, these are like little vellum things, just words, so it might be a few of those, obviously lightweight, in an envelope, lightweight things. So there's those. I've got packets of flowers. You know, if it's UK people, I can send more. But I thought what I'd like to do, there's this, look, this is from when we went to the craft outlet last year. Can you remember? Was it, I don't know, May, June, something like that? That's like well, a purse board book, one of them. There's all sorts. These are the foil things, all different ones in there, so they'll be split up. Loads of those. So most of you that watch this will have already seen these. Sorry about any glare. The laser mesh, what do we call it, punchinella. Loads of different punchinellas. There's some borders. There's a writing pack there. I've actually had that for quite a few years, but I thought I would put that in. There's some ribbons there which says adhesive. They are not adhesive. I bought several packs of those. None of them have been adhesive, so I don't know what that's all about. Anyway, they're lovely. They're crocheted, proper crocheted cotton trim. And then there's these, and I've actually bought some different ones of these, which I'll show you in another video. Stampender Stack Art Artboard, different shapes and that. You can see how cheap I got them, look. So I've got loads of those. flowers, more flowers, borders, some of those, and that's just some of the stuff I've got. So I've not made any packages up. I'll just do them as I go along. There won't be any favoritism or anything. It'll just depend whether you're international or in this country. And you know, I've got a little bit of painty paper hanging about, you know. It's just a couple of sheets, so there might be bits of painty papers and, you know, all this border things that Shay taught us how to do that. All sorts of bits and bobs. Who knows? It'll be a surprise. So let's have a look. I've got a little note here. Oh, I've got a sore throat. Should have, not a sore throat, a dry throat. Should have brought a drink up. So yes, that's what I'm going to do. And any winners, I don't know how many I'm picking out yet. Not organised as usual. If you can email me at, my writing is appalling. I'll leave the link in the description box anyway. betsydoodle@gmail.com. If you're a winner, can you just, even if you think I've already got your address, can you just please email me to claim your prize, please? And by the 22nd of March, which is a week tomorrow, next Friday, Friday the 22nd. And so I'm not going to be messaging people, I'm not chasing it up, I've done with all that sort of thing. So any that doesn't get claimed, I'll just save them and they'll go into another giveaway. Right, I think that's all that about the giveaway. Yes, so we've got loads and loads of names in there. It's just one name per person that has been in touch with me via, like I say, that video or private messages, emails and all that lot. Thank you to everybody that's also messaged Mr. Doodle. I mean, I was pretty out of it for quite a while and wasn't responding, and you know, so anyway, that's done and dusted, hopefully. So here we go. And it's not going to be a first, second, third, fourth. It's just going to be, you know, as they come out. So, oh, and as well, if it's somebody that's, you know, got enough stuff already and, you know, you really don't want any more, if you want to, you know, donate it to somebody else, just email me and let me know who you want me to send it to. I don't mind. I shan't be at all offended. You know, you might look at all that stuff that I've just shown and thought, well, I wouldn't use any of that. Or if you want it and you want to give it away, that's entirely up to you. I do not mind. Right, here we go. First name is Christine's Cards and Things. So if you can email me, Christine, please. Well done to everybody that names comes out. Lorna Callahan. So there, 2 over this way. Right, let's have a look. Oh, there's 2 come out there, but I'll keep that one in my hand. Charlotte Carter. That's across the pond. Who's this one? Ed and Me and the Cat Makes 3. I love that name. Now, I think, are you in Australia? I think you're in Australia. And I can't remember your name, I'm sorry. I think I first knew you from one of the live videos I did. But anyway, apologies for not remembering your name. Ed and Me and no, can't remember, sorry. But anyway, so that's 4. Should we do another one? Right, it's this one. Tina Gillum Evans, that's across in France. I'm going to do one more. Have a look. Sylvia Costello. Sylvia's in Ireland. Oh, so we've got a bit of a mixed bag, haven't we? US, France, I think Australia. Might be wrong on that, but I think so. Ireland, Scotland and England. Oh, well, that's brilliant. Right, so well done, ladies. If you can all just let me know, you know, claim your prize basically, and I will get you something. Or, you know, if you've seen something that you think you really might like, I know you international ladies will understand, but like even something like that is going to be probably too much to send. You know, it's so it'll have to be things in you know, smaller things. But if there's anything you've seen, just let me know and I will see what I can do. But I haven't done any pricing. I have recently sent a parcel somewhere or somewhere abroad, and I was way out with the parcel, and it cost me a lot more than I thought it was going to do, because I have a post office thing, and I'd looked at the wrong country. I'm like, really? It was that much? Never mind. Right, so that's that. And if you don't, oh, where's my little note gone? Oh God, here we go. She's been here 5 minutes and she's wrecking the joint. Where have I put that? I just had a note here. Oh dear, dear, dear. No, I don't know, so I'm bound to forget something now. If your name hasn't been drawn out, you can always pop across to my Buy Me a Coffee site. Lots of you will already know this, but because I put a little video up last night and posted it on Instagram as well, I've put, well, there's only 4 at the moment, but I will add more, some digital files upon, they're freebies, free digital files upon my Buy Me a Coffee. There's several people have already claimed them, and this is what they print out like. I hope they all, you know, will you let me know if you, when you print them out, what they come out like? I mean, these are of my Painty papers. I'm quite pleased with how they've printed out. That's another one. That's another one. And that's another one. So I love that one. And this, they're on between 120 and 160 GSM. I don't know what that's in pounds, but you know, nothing special, but not the cheapest of chips. Copier paper. So yeah, feel free to go across and grab them if you haven't done already. I wish I could find that piece of paper with that note on. Oh goodness. Where do things go? Oh my God. Really? It was just there. It was. Where's it gone? I don't know. Right, on that silly note, does it drive you bonkers? Where is it? Yes, on that note, I will leave the link to the Buy Me a Coffee in the bottom, and if I forget, which I most likely will do, if I forget, just give me a shout in the comments. But thank you again ever so much for, well, just for everything, for being you. You're all so lovely and kind, and yeah. Okay then, thank you, take care, bye.